Okay, welcome. Come in, close the door, it's quite loud. Okay, so in here we have first bathroom, just bathroom by the front door. Open plan kitchen. Absolutely cool. And then big comfy sofa.
It's just unreal.
Yeah, fair enough.
It's just unreal. I'm not dressed satin, satin, whatever.
So yeah, massive open plan is absolutely beautiful for me. This is the dining room. A huge, obnoxiously big dining table. This is the best bit. We have Modles and space to do your bride, if that's what you want to do. The first bedroom. My bedroom. Beautiful. And this is my bathroom. Stunning. Huge shower. And then let's go to the second bedroom. This is like the guest bedroom. Stunning. And this bathroom. Look at this bathroom and look at the shower. It's like all open. Oh my god. Okay, let's go upstairs. The view over the pineapple fields. Incredible. Pineapple. And down here, view of the pools. And then this is the third bedroom. And the good thing about this one is it's got a massive bathtub and just incredible views, and then toilet, big shower. So that is my little tour here in Thailand.